In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is an essential toolkit for creatives of all sorts, offering a suite of applications that cater to various design and media needs. Sharing files within this ecosystem can streamline collaboration with team members or clients, ensuring seamless communication and project management. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you need to open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Once it's up, you'll be prompted to log in with your Adobe account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's a quick and easy process that unlocks a host of valuable creative tools. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation sidebar on the left-hand side, where you'll see an option labeled Files. Click on this to navigate to the area where all your saved projects and files are stored. This section acts as your digital workspace, where you can organize, store, and, most importantly, share your creative work. Now that you're in the Files section, browse through the list of documents and select the file you'd like to share. You'll find this selection process intuitive, as Adobe has designed it to be user-friendly, mimicking much of the interface that you're probably already familiar with in other file management applications. Once you've found your desired file, look for the 3 horizontal dots beside it. This icon represents more actions or settings related to that particular file. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options listed, you will find Share. Selecting this option is your next crucial step. It's the gateway to sending your file to others. After you hit Share, a window will appear, prompting you to type in the email address of the person you wish to share this file with. Be sure to double-check the email for any typos. A tiny mistake here can lead to your file not reaching its intended recipient. Adobe uses this email to notify the recipient that a file has been shared with them, so accuracy is key. Once you've entered the correct email address, you'll see a button or a link that says Invite to Edit. Click on this and you'll be extending an invitation to your collaborator, not just to view the document, but to make edits as well. This can be particularly useful for ongoing projects where multiple team members need to contribute their insights or skills directly into the document. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to collaborate using Adobe Creative Cloud. By sharing your files this way, you enable smoother teamwork and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Whether you're working on a design overhaul or tweaking project details, this method promises to keep communication clear and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and happy creating with Adobe Creative Cloud.